Last week I did a video on the reasons why I upgraded my Fuji X-T4 to this new Fuji X-T5. And in the video I discussed it was a lot more than just about the gear. It was about family and timing. And if you missed that video, I have a link to it in the upper right hand corner. But one of the things that I talked about regarding the gear was just simply the film simulations. There is a lot of reasons why I upgraded, but one of the things that I really like about the Fuji system, the X-T4 had this, and as well as the X-T5, is simply the film simulations. And if you don't know what a film simulation is, it's exactly what it sounds like. You know, in the early days before digital cameras, it was all about film, right? And if you went into the drugstore or whatever to buy a package of film, you had a lot of different options out there. I mean, Kodachrome and just different, you know, ones with the ISOs or the ASO or whatever. I should know that, right? Because I do have a college degree in photography, although it was 1979. But anyway, there is a lot of features that I really enjoy about the Fuji system, and one of them is just simply the film simulations. And I recognize that probably there's a lot of individuals out there that don't quite understand what these film simulations will provide you. So I decided to go out and take some photos at a park, and what I wanted to do was take a photo at the same exact spot but using a different film simulation, and put a video together that will show exactly what these differences are. Now, in doing so, I took two photos with one film simulation each, and then I changed the film simulation. What I did not change was really the subject itself. I took photos of two different subjects, but literally I was just essentially making a turn of about 45 degrees. I was out at a park, it was at a lake. I was shooting some paddle boats, different colors, and you will see the lake in the background. And then I was shooting some, I guess they were paddle boards, and they were all stacked up in different colors. But essentially, nothing changed outside of the way that I moved. But I wanted to do two different photos because, again, just the direction that I was turning was going to be a little bit different with the lighting. And so I wanted to show exactly how this would look with different film simulations. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So there you go. These are the film simulations that are available in the X-T5. So again, use the film simulations the way you see fit. I hope you found this video informative, useful, and if you haven't done so already, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification as I do upload new videos every week, and I'd hate for you to miss one. Thanks again for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.